Hi, this is Jay Valento live from RedWagonTeam.com, the hottest selling real estate website here in sunny Southern California. Today we're going to be talking about Southern California earthquake preparedness tips and kits. I wrote a whole blog post on it on my website here of RedWagonTeam.com. Just click on earthquakes. Since we had two major earthquakes here in July over the 4th of July, I thought it'd be great to just share some good wisdom, as you should always be prepared with an earthquake kit just in case. You just never know when an earthquake will happen. They really don't happen that often. I haven't had one here in about 5 or 6 years. But of course, over the 4th of July, it did have a little rumbling. I'm here in the city of Long Beach. It was just kind of a slight rolling quake. The first one was 6.4, wasn't too bad. 7.1 rolled a little bit more, but it was 125 miles north of where I live. Still, it's always good to be prepared. And I wrote this long blog post. When you go to redwagonteam.com, click on earthquakes, and you'll be able to read through. You can get a sample food storage here, an earthquake kit if you want. Just simply click on the icon. You'll be able to shop over on Amazon. They have some really good selections there. I'll give you some tips in here of what I would do. FEMA, our Federal Emergency Management Agency, has some good ideas for you to do. I suggest, they say 3 days, I say 10 days, so at least have 10 days worth of food. I like these protein bars. I would have tons of them, but I'd probably eat them. So I gotta be really figured out a way so I don't eat them ahead of time. But there's an earthquake kit checklist that I created. Also, like some things that you need for your earthquake kit. Definitely, it's kind of like a flashlight radio. So I found 3 of these on Amazon. I thought it might be a good investment to have, because you only want to know about the weather and any emergency. I assume that calling 911 is not going to be good depending on where it hit. So if it hit in Long Beach, it would be kind of a mess here. We have 450,000 people, and I'd kind of want to have some good resource to take care of myself for water, especially I need water, so I need to stock up on that. And I have some graphics in here on what to do. They suggest not to go underneath a doorway, but to actually go under a desk, or just get on all fours, your knees and hands and knees, and just cover your head and neck, depending on how severe it is. So I wrote out some different tips along the way to give you some wisdom, plus some resources from the government and from Caltech, who usually monitors our earthquakes. Just a lot of good, helpful information. Just simply go to redwagonteam.com, and there should be a menu button that says earthquakes, or if it's not here on this menu here, it'll be under research, real estate blog. When you click on the real estate blog, we have local real estate news and blog posts here that I've written over the years. There's a Greek festival going on this weekend, earthquake preparedness. When the fireworks were on, we had some different fireworks shows around the city and the area. So a lot of good information about real estate in Southern California. Have a great day.